Alright, hey. So, here's another video. This is a little bit fucking different though, so bear with me, alright? This video is for all the vegans out there. Look at that yummy chicken. I love killing animals, don't you? I love killing animals. Look at that beautiful, delicious chicken. Yeah? Look. See, vegans? Yeah, that's good chicken. So fucking good. For all you pussy ass vegans out there, survival, adaptation comes from the animals you raise and the ones that you kill. The human body can't just survive on plant-based BS. Real men and women eat meat. If you're vegan, you're a bitch. Right? So, fuck you to all the vegans. This one's for you. You're gonna sit here and watch me eat chicken in front of your fucking face. Fucking cowards. On a side note, I'm not okay with non-citizens becoming police officers. That shit has got to stop. For all you non-citizens that want to become police officers in the United States.
You don't like this stuff?
Again, for all you non-citizens that want to become police officers in the United States, don't, or I'll fucking knock you out. All these immigrants allowed in Illinois, no. Oh, and J.B. Pritzker, fuck you, bitch. I'm coming for you. Fuck you, motherfucker. Fuck you to all the vegans. Fuck you to the police. Fuck you to the illegal immigrants. And fuck Joe Biden and Kamala Shitball Harris. Fuck Nasty Pelosi. Fuck you all. You ruined this country. So I'm gonna ruin your life.
Honey, you got food in my hair.
You'll be fine.
Get out.
I can't. I got food on my hands. You want me to touch your hair with my fucking fingers? My chicken fingers? Anyways, sorry about that. Yeah. Fuck you all. Meat is good. Vegan diets are bad. You guys are idiots. A bunch of fucking Karens.
Pussies.
Homosexuals need to all die. You know. This shit's seasoned to the core with salt, pepper, and lemon pepper. I'm the only fucking white person that loves his meat seasoned. You want to sit there and talk about, I don't season my meat? Well, white people don't season their meat? Bullshit. This motherfucker does. And it's fucking delicious. You motherfuckers will never know. Will never know the true goodness of meat. I don't want no plant-based bullshit. I don't want no homosexuals living in the same neighborhood as me. And I don't want illegal immigrants in fucking police uniforms arresting me. I'll have a fucking shootout before that happens.
Look how clean the bone is.
Damn.
I'll show you how to do it. Hang on. Okay. Find a... Give me this one.
Yeah. But you know,
go, Glenn.
Oh
Start
no.
with this one.
You motherfuckers need to learn that,
Ready?
you eat enough chicken?
Mm-hmm.
You motherfuckers need to learn that, America is not for the immigrants. No. Oh, also, sorry if I offend anyone, but this BLM stuff, how does it matter when you guys are still killing each other? I wish y'all would be nicer to each other. You feel me? Y'all lives are only gonna matter if you stop killing each
Oh
other.
my God.
You might not think it's none of our business, but why do we have to wake up and see it on the news every day? I'm tired of this shit. I mean, I'm tired of violence, but if I have to be violent in order to defend my country, I will. And I'll eat chicken while doing it. I ain't scared of no fucking non-meat eating ass fucking vegan. I might be a little man, I might be kind of skinny, but I'll still knock y'all asses the fuck out.
There's still some on this one.
I'm a real man. I do real man things. I punched my fucking arm through a window one time and laughed about it. I headbutted a brick wall
Honey.
in front of a crowd of people and laughed about it. And they fucking all walked away scared. I ain't the one you want to fuck with, bro.
I didn't break that bone.
I don't feel no pain. I will headbutt a wall until my face is covered in blood. And I will smile about it. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fucking fuck. I'm a real fucking menace.
I think that one's all. Yeah, that's all of it.
That's all.
That's all.
With that said, you
I should
know.
have took my ring off. It's gotten greasy and I don't change the color.
Rinse it.
Ooh.
Go rinse it. I'll get rid of these. With that said, I thank y'all for listening to me. Chicago represent, my boy. Keep on eating that good chicken, my friend. Real men like us know you need meat to survive. Well, that's it, YouTube. Rice pudding? Huh? Is what? Oh, okay. You love that shit now, don't you, babe?
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Fucking good.
Got her hooked on it. Well, it's been good, YouTube. Babe, could you kindly press the red square on my phone? Goodbye.